Get out there and win the game.
Bruh.
Ooh, right in the dome. I'm so glad my head isn't as big as that guy's. You did awesome. To celebrate, I think you should screenshot this, print it out, and go put it on your fridge for your mom to see.